guys, I'm your host Sri and welcome to Chiku Chiku. This is Gwen. Today we are doing something interesting. It's called Chiku Chiku Makan.
Yeah.
Okay, so where are we going right now is we are going to Bentong. Quite some time ago we went to Bentong. So we discovered this food, Kung Fu Chow or Kway Teow Basah, known in local language. It was one of the best Kung Fu Chow in my life. I would say that throughout my life. I'm 60 years old and yeah, Bentong is roughly around 1 hour 50 minutes drive from KL. So that's one of the reasons why we are going now. We don't know whether it's open or not, but let's go there and see. It's not really far, but it's fun. It's a fun drive. You will see a lot of the views are really nice over here when you're driving. So you don't have to worry about it. Just stick with us together at the end of the video. Around KL you can find this Assam boy thing. Almost in every traffic light or wherever you can find jam, you can find boys selling Assam boy in KL. So while on the way to Bentong at the traffic light, this guy selling this Assam boy. It's really nice. It's 10 ringgit, a bit pricey, but I would say it's worth a try. It's damn delicious. It's really delicious. Don't eat while you're driving, guys. This is only can be done by professional people like me. It's really nice. It's a pickle. Assam boy mango. It's a mango. Raw. It's a sour
not
mango.
really raw. It's got a bit sweet.
Yeah. It's really nice. If you come across it somewhere, you just buy it and eat it. Just stand back. Don't look at the price, but it's worth buying. I cannot stop eating actually. It's damn nice. Makan, bangun sedap.
Saya ada gambar ada pergi Ipoh.
Ya.
Itu Indian lah.
Guys, right now I have a Kung Fu Chow. It's very gooey. It was made very quickly based on the video. It's time to eat now. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, we're done eating, now we're just going for a walk. And Bentong is not only just famous for food, it's famous for this night market. They will have all sorts of clothes. It's just a regular night market, but it's quite regular here. Every weekend they will have it. Saturday, Sunday you can come here and watch it. Plus you can buy your souvenirs. It's actually fun. After good food you can just go for a walk and see around, have fun, stuff, right? Bentong now?
Yeah, I think the food just now was very nice, especially your Kung Fu Chow.
Yes, the Kung Fu Chow. The Kung
I
Fu
think not
Chow.
so many people know about the shop, right?
Yeah, not many
Only just now when we went to the shop, most of the customer is from the local,
Yeah,
the Bentong people.
yes. And mostly if you go to Bentong, you'll be seeing old uncles sitting at the coffee shop and stuff, right?
Yes.
Don't get discouraged.
Not so many youngster or like our age, not so much.
Yeah, not so much. So, yeah, don't get discouraged. Just come, walk around.
Just come and try.
Yeah, and the night market is cool. Just that we left early, so we didn't catch many of the shops there. But yeah, if you come here around the night, Uncle shop is open in the night. So yeah, you can just come here, have a walk, have fun. Catch you guys back in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.